What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Pocophone F1, and I picked up another screen protector, tempered glass, and I got this one from AliExpress because a lot of people were saying that they could not order the other one from Amazon because they were outside the United States. So this one I picked up from AliExpress. Now the shipping takes a little longer. It takes maybe 10 to 14 days, maybe even longer when you order this and you order it for the United States. So be aware of that. Even though the price is really good, it may take a little longer, a lot longer than Amazon to get to you. But those outside the United States, this may be a better fit for them because they may get their shipments faster, and plus they can order from here. So I got a two-piece tempered glass for the Xiaomi Pocophone F1. These were only $1.79 each, free shipping. I got them with a couple cases and stuff, so it makes it a little more worthwhile. So check out AliExpress. I'll leave the link down in the description so you guys can pick that up. So I picked up two of these, and we're gonna go ahead and install this. And the first thing that you wanna do is you want to power this puppy off so that you can install it. All right, so this is the package that I got from AliExpress. It looks like a something you'd find in Miami. No pun intended there. But you open this up and you get yourself two tempered glass and some wet wipes and dry wipes. The packaging is pretty good for being $3 or $4 for both of these suckers. So you get two tempered glass. So we'll see how good these are, and I'll be able to compare them to the Olander ones that I got. So we're gonna go ahead and start setting this up. Like I said, put my case down and let's go to work. All right, so what you want to do is you want to wipe it down with your dry cloth here. It doesn't come with a microfiber cloth, so if you have one of these laying around, that will come in handy because this only comes with the wet and dry wipe. I guess you can use the dry wipe from the packaging that comes from AliExpress if you wanted to. That's up to you. So once you wipe it down, you're going to take your wet one, which is very small. They're very they don't give you a lot of this, so you wipe this down with the wet wipe here and make sure everything is nice and clean. You basically want to get all the dust and all the dirt off of this puppy before you install it. All right, the next thing you want to do after you hit it with the wet wipe and dry it off, you want to use this dust absorber. This is from another kit, but you can use Scotch tape. This is just so you can get all the dust off in case anything. I know where I live, it's really dusty, so you just got to make sure you get all the dust off of this so you can have a real nice install. And remember, do this at night. Do it before you go to bed so it can sit all night and you don't mess with your phone. That way it sticks to the glass real good. Don't put this on and then try to slap a case on it. Give yourself some time. Just do yourself a favor. Do it before you go to bed and you'll be good to go. Now what you want to do is you want to grab this bad boy, and what you're going to do is you're going to pull off the back of this and then just lay it on there real nice. Take your time. Put it on real nice. You're going to match up the holes and then let it stick. Boom. And you just let it work its way out, and then you're going to work out the bubbles. I will say I already kind of like the other one from Olander more, but this one's a little more budget friendly, and you could tell because it looks like it's going to have some halo. Let's see if we can work out this bubble here. And the bubbles will work out eventually, so don't get worried if you need to work this out. They will eventually stick, but it looks like this one is going to have some halo at the top. So if that's a deal breaker for you, you may want to reconsider, but we'll see. We're going to let this sit overnight and then we'll give it a ride. I want to try to get all the bubbles out and we'll see what happens. All right, so we're gonna power this bad boy on and take a look at this tempered glass on here. I did notice some halo here at the top, but that may go away overnight. I'm hoping that it will. But these are very cheap, $2 for a 2-pack, basically. So very cost efficient, very affordable. So you won't have to worry about it being, you know, expensive. Cause so let's check out the touch sensitivity on this puppy. And it looks like it just misses a little bit on the sides there. And then on the top, it may give you that halo. But that's something that you may want to decide if that's what you want. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on Wi-Fi. But you know, that's up to you. I do like how this one is a little bit more like it's all glass, where the other one has some like black borders on it. But so they're all gonna be different, but this one looks pretty good. All right, I mean, for $2, you really can't complain. It does protect your phone. So, but as you can see there on the edge, you can kind of see it doesn't cover fully the whole glass. But that means that it'll probably work really good with cases. So, but yeah, that's it, man. You guys want to check that out? I'll leave a link down below so you can check out this tempered glass from AliExpress. I don't think it really has a name or a manufacturer. It's kind of like just on their website that you guys can buy. But that's it, man. I'm Android Stud. Follow me on Twitter, Android Stud, also Instagram. And that'll do it. That's the tempered glass from AliExpress. Very affordable. Probably ship anywhere in the world. Peace.